Hi, today I'm for the new Redmi Note and Lite, and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant by double press to the power key on this device. So if you want to use the Google Assistant by press and hold to the power key button, you should first open the settings and then scroll down to additional settings. Then click to gesture shortcuts and tap to launch Google Assistant. So now just tap to the switcher, and by this way, by press and hold to the power key, now we can see that the Google Assistant successfully activated. If you want to unlink Google Assistant from power key, by the same way, just click to the switcher, and now we can see the power off menu. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.